Hi chaps, how are you doing? It's good to see you. Um, Ladies and gents, I've got a little experiment for you to do, and really what I'd like you to do is first of all to watch this video. Now in this video I'm going to show you what you can do at home, which is a really cool experiment which I really recommend you to do. Now you can either do that experiment or you can do the worksheet that I will attach as well, okay? Or you can do both, but you've got to do at least one of them, okay? That's the deal, right? So last lesson we looked at acid and base, okay? And we kind of had a very basic understanding of what they are, different types of them, what they do, what they taste, what they feel like, and also we looked at indicators, a group of materials, blue litmus paper, red litmus paper, and the universal indicator that helped us to figure out which one is which, acid, base, or neutral, okay? Right? All materials are either acid or base, they're kind of opposite, or actually most of them are neutral, they're not either one of those, okay? But today I'm going to get you to make your own indicator. You can do it, very easy. All you need is purple cabbage, okay? Purple cabbage, right? So I chopped some purple cabbage into little strips. I put it in hot water. It's good to have it in hot water. Let it cool down a bit, okay? And you can have that beautiful purpley liquid. And that's all you need, okay? So I'd like you to do that. Chop it a little bit, put it in the hot water for, 5-10 minutes until you can touch the water, and then pour it in. Okay? Now, that's your purple indicator. In fact, it is an indicator. Okay? The purple cabbage liquid can tell you whether you're going to have acid, base, or just neutral. So let me just pause you here for a second. Okay, so I've got some lemon juice, okay, that you might have at home. And if I add a few drops, you can see how it's gone red. Isn't that cool? Okay, so purple cabbage is an indicator. When it goes red, it means it's acid. Now I've got some little bits of marbles. Okay, you could use bicarb soda. Bicarb soda is base. Now if I'm going to put them in, okay, it's not going to be a huge difference. But let me just get you some white paper. Yeah, you can see it. Okay, you can see it, I think. Okay, it's not as clear as with the red, but that's why I left this as neutral. Okay, so if you didn't add acid or base, in other words, if you have a neutral solution, it will be purple. But if you add something base, it goes a little bit more blue. Hope you can see it. Yeah, I can see it from this side. Okay, so what I would like you to do is, first of all, just have a go at that. And then take 5 or 6 different items in your kitchen. And decide, make a table. I'll draw it up for you. Okay? So you make a table. I'll put that away. Okay? So you write down material. And then you write acid or base. Acid, base, or neutral. Okay? So I found that lemon juice was acid because it went red. Right? The marble chips was base. Okay? I'd like you to try a bunch of stuff. Okay? The only thing is that the thing you're trying, they have to be pretty colorless. They can't have a strong color, because if they bring their own color, then obviously it will affect your results. So things to think about is just use water, add water, put a little bit of salt. You can try soapy water. You can try bleach. That should work well, better than soapy water. Okay? Soapy water is supposed to be base, but it doesn't always show. Maybe it's very weak base, but try bleach. Try something strong detergent. Okay? What else you can try? Like I said, bicarb. That should give you a nice base. Anything else you can find in the kitchen, okay? Try maybe milk. It's a bit white, but we'll see what it looks like, okay? So what I'd like you to do is, if you want to do this experiment, write down the table, take a photo, or don't even need to take a photo, just write down the table in your homework folder, and please send me one photo of your beautiful colors, okay? Especially that red, it's a beautiful color, okay? So just send me one photo of you with some colors there, okay? Otherwise, if you don't want to do this experiment, just do the worksheets underneath me here. Enjoy, guys. Have a lovely week. See you next week.